And we were told the SHA will not be like NHIF. But the reports we have received are not very good. That money from SHA has been limited to non-existent hospitals. That's corruption. The minister has admitted, and that is very serious. If money that was meant to help the sick went to hospitals that are not registered, some that are non-existent, then we are sleeping on the job. The agencies that are charged with following on corruption need to work very fast so that those who are concerned may take responsibility. We cannot afford to keep on losing money. Already NHIF owes our mission hospital lots of money, unpaid money. So if this trend continues, then we'll be in big trouble.